You all didn't got the time to practice? Hello, Aniket, Rahul, Ankita.
Sir, I was revising electromagnetic.
ठीक है, चलो आज कर लेना, लेकिन
Yes, sir.
टेस्ट के बाद कर लेना। हाँ, पुनित मैं 1:30 के बाद करता हूँ आपको कॉल बैक। Sum number 9. To determine composition of bimetallic alloy, a sample is first weighed in air, then in water. Weight is found to be W1 and W2. Weight in air W1, weight in water is found as W2. If the density of two constituent metals are ρ1 and ρ2, densities are ρ1 and ρ2, then weight of first metal in the sample is how much if rho W is the density. Composition of bimetallic strip, weight of first metal is how much? So I'm writing first metal weight as M1. First metal, see this is alloy. Bimetallic strip means alloy का weight in air, weight in water. First metal का weight चाहिए हम लोग को in air. This is somewhat similar to that sum number 6 which we have done. Somewhat similar to that. Weight in air of alloy we know, and weight in water we are knowing. So do we know loss in weight? Hello, loss in weight we know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Loss in weight is nothing but weight of volume of liquid displaced. Okay. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो, एक लाइन से देखते जाओ कैसा होएगा ऐसा। वी वांट वेट ऑफ फर्स्ट मेटल, असली वेट एयर में होता है, नकली वेट लिक्विड में होता है। सो लेट x be weight of first metal in alloy। जो जैसा वो 6 किया था वो इसी टाइप का कर रहा हूँ। Let x be the weight of first metal in alloy. So weight of second metal will be total weight in air W1 minus x. So I got weight of first metal, weight of second metal. Densities are known, तो दोनों का मैं वॉल्यूम निकाल सकता हूँ। Let V1, V2 be volumes of two metals in alloy. So volume V1 is its mass upon density. Volume is V, density is mass upon volume. So if I consider weight, then I have to divide this by G upon density of first one, and V2 is weight W1 minus X rho 2 into G. So this two also follow. So total volume of alloy V is V1 plus V2. That will become what we can take common, nothing, खाली G एक आएगा, x upon rho 1 G plus W1 minus x upon rho 2 G. Please copy till this. So we got total volume in terms of volume of first metal and second metal.
Done, sir.
I'm rubbing this. I got total volume, individual volumes. Now, loss of weight is equals to weight of volume of liquid displaced. Loss of weight is weight in air minus weight in water, which is equals to total volume density of water into G. And total volume you can write V1 plus V2 into rho of water into G. So W1 minus W2 is X upon rho 1 plus W1 minus X upon rho 2 into rho water. G will get cancelled with this. G will get cancelled. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
Because answer is given in rho water, therefore I have not substituted the values. So this will give me W1 minus W2 equals to X times rho 2 plus rho 1 into W1 minus X upon rho 1 rho 2 into rho water. Now copy till this. We have to find X out of this. After simplification we'll get.
Done, sir.
We are interested in X. W1 rho 1 rho 2 minus W2 rho 1 rho 2 equal to X rho 2 rho water plus rho 1 rho water W1 minus X by cross multiplying. Now as I said we are interested in X वाला term, थोड़ा इसको भी ओपन करना पड़ेगा. W1 rho 1 rho 2 minus W2 rho 1 rho 2 is X rho 2 rho water plus rho 1 rho water W1 minus rho 1 rho water X. So this is X, this is X. We can keep on one side, rest all will can transfer on other side. So W1 rho 1 rho 2 minus W2 rho 1 rho 2 minus rho 1 rho water W1 equal to X common rho 2 rho water minus rho 1 W1 rho 1 rho W. Common possible anywhere. इधर रो W कॉमन लिया तो अंदर आ जाएगा रो 2 minus rho 1 into this X we want. Hello?
Yes, sir.
अभी हर एक में रो 1 दिख रहा है ना. ये देखो इधर रो 1 थ्रू आउट वी कैन सी ना.
Yes.
So if you take rho 1 common, you will get W1 rho 2 minus W2 rho 2 minus rho water W1. कितना कॉपी करो अभी शायद एक लाइन में हो जाएगा आंसर.
Done, sir.
Now x equals to, therefore x equals to rho 1. Rho 1 we have taken common. W1 we commonly have the rho 2 minus rho water into rho 2 upon rho water, rho 2 minus rho 1. This will be the final answer. Practice just now 2 times in front of me only. And once you have done, tell me so that I can go to the next sum. Practice 2 times just now. I'm waiting for you. Next one. This was difficult, so I thought you should practice 2 times. Immediately दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा क्या किया. Individual volume निकाला. The total volume is V1 plus V2. Loss in weight का formula. Then we have simplified. This is what we did. Next sum. Next one. Sum number 10. Important one. U-tube contains 2 liquid in static equilibrium. Water of density is in right arm. Oil of unknown density rho is in the left arm as shown in the figure. Measurement gives length L 135 millimeter and D is 135 or 13.5. Is it 135 or 13.5?
135.
Hello? Okay, let me know. 370 पे अपन कर लेते हैं. हाँ 370 पर देखे फिर नीचे चले जाते. चलेगा ना? ठीक. हाँ हाँ. अभी 370 के 420. अच्छा ठीक है 70 रखते हैं. हाँ ये yes. So the density of oil we are interested in at static oil in one arm. They want density of oil is how much? At interface, this is L and then D and here we have oil. Find the density of oil. If density of water is given 1000 kg per meter cube, length L is 135 millimeter and D is 12.5 millimeter, then find density of oil. Find the density of oil. See, if oil is neither rising up nor falling down, what does it mean? Pressure is balanced.
Yes, sir.
That means if I consider any horizontal level, pressure will be balanced. This is interface. This horizontal line, pressure is balanced. Anywhere we can take pressure is balanced. So from top till this, what is height? D plus L,
Yes, sir.
and that is only height of oil here, correct na? D plus L.
Yes.
So I can say at interface pressure due to oil is same as pressure due to water. ये पूरा ऊपर वाला प्रेशर, और P1 इक्वल टू P2 लिख सकते हो आप. P means H rho G. Hello, what is pressure formula due to liquid column? H rho G.
Yes, sir.
So oil वाला pressure होएगा height of oil which is D plus L, correct,
Yes, sir.
into rho of oil into G, then height of water, rho of water into G. Height of water is L, density of water rho V, rho W into G. Air ka density is negligible, that you can remove. So we get at interface, इसका pressure ये negligible क्योंकि हवा है और ये oil का. So now we can cancel Gg. Therefore density of oil into D, D is 12.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 135 into 10 raised to minus 3. I converted into meter. Density of oil we want 135 into 10 raised to minus 3. Rho of water. What is rho of water in SI, in CGS? Hello?
Sir, 1.
In CGS 1. In SI 10 raised to 3, because we have converted this
Yes.
into meter. अभी क्या कैंसिल हो सकता है देखते हैं सब साइड से. 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3 throughout cancel. So density of oil will be 1, 5 and 2, 7, 3 and 1, 4, 147.5 equals to 135 into 10 raised to 3. So density of oil will be 135 into 10 raised to 3 upon 147.5. Now clear cut answer will be 0.9 के आसपास में ना कुछ तो. Hello? Denominator is greater than numerator, so answer will be greater than, close to 9 ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो close to 2 दिया है 9, 961 is more close to 1. तो इसको थोड़ा सा मैं और सिंप्लीफाई कर देता हूँ 2 डिजिट के लिए, because 9691 is there. It can't be A and B. So this I am writing as 135. Approximately इसको आप 150 समझ सकते हैं, into 10 raised to 3. 15 into 10, 15 into 9. So my conviction says it is 915. More closer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Solve now. हाँ भाई. नहीं, बच्चों को टेंशन लेने की कुछ मतलब ही नहीं ना मैडम, अननेसेसरी पैनिक की कोई जरूरत नहीं ना, उसको तो मान के चलना होगा। हाँ, अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो थोड़ा पोस्टपोन होगा, लेकिन एग्जाम नहीं होगा तो ऐसा तो है ही नहीं ना। देखो सबसे पहली बात ना, आप न्यूज मत देखिए ना, बच्चे को देखने दीजिए, क्योंकि हमको न्यूज देखने कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है, हमको तो पढ़ाई से मतलब है। क्योंकि नहीं, वो तो मैं समझ गया, वो तो समझ गया, यस यस। नहीं नहीं, पहली बात तो हमको एक समझाइए कि आप वो न्यूज पे मत जाइए, क्योंकि अगर जो भी होगा ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो स्क्रैप होगा, आगे पीछे हो सकता है। जी जी। हाँ, क्योंकि स्क्रैप होने के ऑन 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 डेट डाउट लग रहा है मैडम, लेकिन ये बोलना ऑन ऑन डेट डाउट लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है शायद वो और 15 दिन या तो 1 महीना पोस्टपोन करें। हाँ 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 हाँ। नहीं, केसेस तो मतलब अनकंट्रोल्ड है, लेकिन कैसे है कि हाँ, ये भी कैसे, ये लोग तुरंत अभी न्यूज़ में कुछ बताएंगे नहीं ना। अभी तो जैसे कि इन्होंने बोला है कि कल करेंगे लॉकडाउन का अनाउंसमेंट, तो मुझे तो लग रहा है कि लॉकडाउन ऑल ओवर इंडिया भी हो सकता है। हाँ, बिकॉज इतना केसेस को संभालना इतना क्या चीज़ है। हाँ हाँ हाँ। अगर समझो वीकेंड लॉकडाउन हुआ न्यूज़ में भी अगर 1 लाख हो रहा है, मतलब सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल है। तो कल नहीं, तो कॉलेज वाला कैसे बुला रहा है, उनको तो अलाउड ही नहीं कॉलेज खुलना। नहीं नहीं, वो डेट भले डाला होगा, पर आई डोंट थिंक कि जब अभी उनको भी कोई सर्कुलर नहीं आया होगा, इसलिए वो डेट डाला है, पर डेफिनेटली पोस्टपोन अपने साइड से हम तैयार रहेंगे ना। अगर कुछ भी चीज आगे मिल रहा है तो बोनस है वो। हाँ, लेकिन वो बोनस में ना आप एमसीक्यू कर रहे हैं उसमें। हाँ, या यस 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 जरूर, क्योंकि बाकी स्टेट में कर दिया ना इसलिए। हाँ हाँ हाँ, चलेगा, लेकिन मुझे मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है ना मैडम, अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंट हो गया ना, तो थोड़ा 1-2 दिन ना वो एमसीक्यू की प्रैक्टिस कर ले। हाँ, क्योंकि अगर ये पोस्टपोन हो जाएगा, मुझे तो 100% लग रहा है, तो अपना और वेस्ट ना हो जाए खाली 12th में टाइम। ठीक है, यस यस। हाँ हाँ। अच्छा अच्छा। यस यस, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। यस यस यस। ओके। नहीं नहीं, आप देखिए, अगर होगा तो जल्दी तो नहीं होगा ना, अगर होगा तो 1 वीक आगे हो सकता है, ये होने के चांस है। हाँ, तो उतना हमारे लिए प्लस पॉइंट हुआ, चलो उतना और अच्छा प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे। हाँ, आइए सेम डेट के हिसाब से करिए, जो भी बोनस मिलता है उसको कन्वर्ट करिए और प्लस मार्क के लिए। ठीक है मैम, यस बस। हाँ हाँ, नहीं नहीं, कर देता हूँ मैं, और भी पेपर भेजता हूँ चाहिए तो आपको। ये 3 हो जान दीजिए, 3 और फुल लेंथ पेपर में चाहिए तो भेजता हूँ। ठीक है, yes, अभी अच्छा, तो फिर ना उसको अभी 14300 पे कर दो। हाँ, यस। It's done.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next is theory. See, again, I'm just discussing. See, there is quite possibility that exam may get postponed by 15 days. Hello?
Yes, sir.
But you have to not think that postponed in your mind. You have to think that it is at same time. Be prepared on that. Then extra जैसे ही time मिलता है, keep on revising.
Yes, sir.
Because you never know क्या हो सकता है आगे. Postpone होने के chance है. But we'll assume that there is no postpone. जो अपना time है उस पे complete करेंगे. Otherwise you will become slow. 11C. Pressure exerted at any point in enclosed fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. This is known as what? Which law it is called?
Pascal's law.
Pascal's law. Never go wrong. 12. Solid P and Q float on water. It is observed that P floats half the P is floating. It is observed that P floats with half of its volume immersed. That means it is floating half volume inside, half up. This is P. And Q floats 2/3 of volume immersed. 2/3 is immersed, so 1/3 is in air. Ratio of density of P and Q. I want you try this one. Ratio of density of P and Q. Just try. Important है ये भी थोड़ा. देखते हैं कितना दिमाग लगा लेते हैं. इजी है. लॉ ऑफ फ्लोटेशन यूज करना है. वेट इज बैलेंस्ड बाय अपथ्रस्ट. फॉर P, for Q, then divide.
So 3/4.
3/4. I think it is correct. 3/4 is correct. Others also got same 3/4.
Yes, sir.
See, for P, density of P, volume of P is total volume we have to take into G. By flotation, it is density of that liquid into volume immersed V/2 into G, equation 1. Then for Q, density of Q, volume of Q into G. This is density. ये P का total volume, ये Q का total volume. ये part. Then density of liquid, volume of Q, कितना 2/3 into G. So this VP cancel, both sides GG cancel here, VQ cancel, GG cancel. So density of P upon density of Q, density ये भी cancel हो जाएगा when you divide. It will become 1/2 divided by this. So 3/2. Therefore 3/4 is correct answer. Next sum, 13th one. Shall I clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, 13. A cylindrical block floats vertically in a liquid of density ρ1. A cylindrical block floats vertically in a liquid of density ρ1, kept in container such that fraction of volume of cylinder inside the liquid is x1. Okay. Then some amount of another immiscible liquid of density ρ2, which is lesser than ρ1, मतलब float होएगा, is added to the liquid in the container so that cylinder now floats just immersed in the liquid with x2 fraction of the volume, x2 fraction volume inside the liquid of density ρ1. Then ρ1, ρ2 will be in terms of x how much. अभी देखो क्या बोला था इन्होंने. 13. कंटेनर है which is filled with liquid of density ρ1. In this, what part of total volume is immersed? In first case, is it x1 part immersed?
Yes, sir.
So that in first case, x1 part of total volume is inside. That means I can say density of solid into total volume of solid into G is density of liquid into x1 into V into G. Okay. Correct, na? We can write like this, equation 1. This part I think clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड केस में क्या कर दिया लोग ने, ऊपर और थोड़ा सा लिक्विड डाला, विच इज नॉट dissolved. So they made another liquid inside this, such that its density is rho 2 और लोअर वाले का rho 1 because rho 2 हल्का इसलिए ऊपर फ्लोट होएगा. When this happens, then x2 part of volume is in rho 1, correct? Hello? What part of volume is in rho 1? Is it x2 part?
Yes, sir.
And in that liquid, how much then? 1 minus x time x2 times v हो जाएगा ना. If total volume is v, उसमें से x part of v1 in the other liquid. So what part is here? If you bring this here, this side, this will be v minus x1 part v2. So can I say 1 minus x1 x2 part v, correct? This also clear? Hello, follow this meaning.
Yes, sir.
Just draw these two diagrams, first equation and second diagram, then I'm explaining further. X2 part is in first liquid, then 1 minus x2 part will be in the second liquid because it is just immersed, मतलब total volume liquid के अंदर आ गया.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat the first equation again?
See what it is. This is weight. Now weight is balanced by upthrust, correct? Weight
Mhm.
formula is what? Density into volume. So density of this entire solid rho, volume is v. So rho vg. Upthrust is density in which it is immersed into part of volume x1v into g.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Done. Written first equation and this diagram draw.
Yes, sir.
So can I say in case 2, weight of the block will not change. It is density, volume into G, correct? But this time it is upthrust of two liquids. One is density rho 1, x2 times V plus density rho 2, 1 minus x2 times V into G into G. I hope clear? Equation 2 is clear with you all?
Yes, sir.
Now left hand side of 1 and 2 is same, na? From 1 and 2. So rho 1 x1 Vg is equals to rho 1 x2 Vg plus rho 2 1 minus x Vg. Throughout Vg cancel. Copy till this. We want actually relation between rho 1 rho 2. Just copy till this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Small simplification will give you required answer. रो 1 वाले को एक साथ ले लो अभी. So it will be rho 1 x1 minus rho 1 x2 is rho 2 1 minus x. So rho 1 x1 minus x2 is rho 2 1 minus x. Rho 1 upon rho 2 1 minus x upon x1 minus x2 is the answer. Option A. Copy.
Done, sir.
14th theory. Hydraulic lift is based on which principle? Hydraulic lift,
Pascal's.
Pascal's law. Correct. 15th. An iceberg floats in sea water. Iceberg is floating in sea water. Density of ice and sea water are, density of sea water and density of ice are 900. Density of ice and sea water 900 and 1000. What fraction of iceberg is outside the water surface? What fraction is outside the water surface? This we want. In terms of percentage they have given. So whatever you get inside, 1 minus that will be outside. So if I consider total volume is V, suppose X part of V is inside, then can I say weight of ice is equals to upthrust when it is floating? This is density of sea water into X part volume which is inside into G. This is density of ice into volume total into G is weight. Vg cancel. So ice is 900. This is 1000 equals to X. So we get 1, 2 zeros cancelled. So X equals to 9 by 10. This is inside. So outside water volume is 1/10. Correct now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
1/10 means how much percent? 10%?
Yes, sir.
So answer is 10%. I feel कि ऐसा simple they may ask law of flotation.
None, sir.
Okay. Next sum. Sphere of iron and lead have same mass and completely immersed in water. Density of lead is more than that of iron. Apparent loss of weight in W1 for iron sphere and W2 for lead sphere is how much? W1 upon W2 पूछा है. Sorry 16th रह गया. एक मिनट है, 16th बाकी है. 16th first. 16. Force acting on window of area 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter of submarine at a depth of 2000 meter in an ocean, interior of which is maintained at sea level. Okay. Atmospheric interior which is maintained at sea level, atmospheric pressure. Inside atmospheric pressure. P inside is atmospheric pressure. Force we are interested in. Inside same है. So inside pressure is atmospheric pressure. उससे जो भी ज्यादा फोर्स प्रेशर आएगा वो फोर्स एक्ट होएगा ना. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
देखो अंदर का प्रेशर एटमॉस्फेरिक है, तो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को तो बैलेंस कर लेगा, तो उसको कुछ फोर्स बैठेगा नहीं. तो जो भी एक्स्ट्रा है ना ड्यू टू लिक्विड कॉलम, उसके वजह से फोर्स आएगा ना इसको. सो प्रेशर ड्यू टू दैट हाइट इज h into density into rho. This is then force upon area is h rho g. I hope you got the meaning.
Yes, sir.
So force upon area 50 into 50 into 10 raised to minus 4 in meter, and height is 2000. Density is given of seawater 10 raised to 3, and g is given 10. So I can say force is 2500 into 2000 by cross multiplying. 2500 into 2000 into 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel हो गया. That is F equal to 1 2 3 4 5 0. 50 into 10 raised to 50. That means 5 into 10 raised to 6 Newton. That is nothing but option
E.
E. हाँ इसमें E है. E. पहला मीनिंग समझ गया आपको पूरा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Next one, 17th. I wish you please try it out. Yes, done full. Hello, completed this one full. Hello.
Yes.
Try 17th. Got the answer? 17th one.
Sir, D.
Option D है आपको greater than
Sir, I
1.
got B.
D is correct one. Same concept. Law of flotation वाला concept. Shall I explain or you got the answer?
So can you explain?
Yes, yes. Sphere of iron and lead have same mass, are completely immersed in water. Density of lead is more than density of iron. Density of lead is greater than density of iron. Apparent loss of weight is W1 for iron and W2 for lead sphere. Okay. What is meaning of apparent loss in weight? Loss in weight is weight of volume of liquid displaced.
Yes, sir.
So first one W1 is given for iron. So for iron, weight of volume of liquid displaced is nothing but volume of iron totally immersed, they are telling, water into G. And for lead, it will be W2 is volume of lead into density of lead into G. That means W1 upon W2 is equals to, mass is same they have given. So volume of iron upon volume of lead. This volume formula, is it mass upon density? Correct, no?
Yes.
So mass will get cancelled. Density of lead upon density of iron. And lead is more, therefore it is greater than 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come to 18th now. 18th. A body is floating in liquid with 50% of its volume outside the liquid. 50% outside the liquid means half of the volume is inside. Half of volume is inside. When the entire system is accelerated upward with acceleration g by 3, entire system is accelerated with g by 3. Percentage of volume outside the liquid. Are you able to recollect this concept?
Yes, sir.
What we got?
So it will be the same, right?
It will remain same. Yes, no need to solve. Because that g from both sides gets cancelled. So answer will be 50% only. One theory we are done. So it remains same irrespective of acceleration. Try 19. An object floats in water with 10% outside and 10% outside. 10% outside, that means 90%, which is 90 upon 100 inside. In water. And 30% of its volume outside in oil. 30% outside in oil. So 70%, 70 upon 100 inside. What is specific gravity? So first part I can say weight is balanced by upthrust in water. That is density of solid into its total volume into G. Density of water into 90 upon 100 Vg. Then same solid weight will be same, balanced by upthrust, Density of oil only 70% into G. So density of oil into 70% Vg is density of water 90% of Vg. Vg 100, Vg 100 cancel. This 0 will get cancelled. So density of oil with respect to water is 9 by 7. 9 by 7 is 1 point. 9 into 1 is 9. Remainder will be 2. तो 20 हो जाएगा. Means 21 लिया तो 1.3. Option A.
Done, sir.
Try 20. तो 14330 कर देना. हाँ 14330 330. हाँ हाँ. Yes, got the answer of 20th.
Sir, B.
20th B is perfectly right. Others also got same. Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 21 also I feel you will get. Try it. See, whenever you see specific gravity, that means density of that body with respect to water. 21 try. Body when immersed in liquid, then it is weighing 44. Same body when immersed in 50, immersed in water, then it is weighing 50. Then what is mass of the body? So if we take mass of body as m, then mg is weight of the body minus loss is nothing but density of liquid into volume into g. So due to this, it is weighing 44 gram. Then same when immersed in water, okay, 44 है क्या? Specific gravity 44, fully immersed in water then 40. Okay. In water it is 40. This is density of liquid will become, specific gravity is given how much? 1.2. So density of liquid upon density of water is 1.2. So I can say this is same as 1.2 times density of water into Vg is 44 times G. Then same weight in water, fully immersed, it is 50 G. Equation 1, equation 2. Now we are interested in what is mass. So if I substitute from 1, this Vg G, or if you subtract, this is minus plus minus. This will get cancelled. So 1.2 rho water we can take 1 in CGS. So this will become minus of 6G. This is V into G minus 1.2. So minus 0.2 rho of water is Vg. G you can cancel from both sides. Minus 0.2 gram weight. Rho of water is 1 minus 6 into V minus 6. Minus you can cancel from both sides. Therefore, V is 6 upon 0.2, that is 60 upon 2, 30. Now, mg minus rho of water 1 into V is 30 into G equals to 50G. Throughout Gg cancel. So, M will become 50 plus 30. That is M equals to 80 gram. Is the answer. 80 gram. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this much you practice. Tomorrow can I take any lecture? Tomorrow not possible na for you all. दस के पहले चलेगा क्या? 9 to 10. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
और अर्ली मॉर्निंग करो 8 to 9:30 चलेगा? 8 to 9:30 tomorrow morning. Yes, comfortable for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow 8 to 9:30 morning physics extra lecture. So that's all for today. I will send the paper today at 6 o'clock. Please solve it properly. Tomorrow 8 to 9:30 extra lecture.